I mean, I've never seen anything. Fires were this close to the cars. People left their cars on Palisades Drive, burning up the hillside, the palm trees, everything's going.
We are anticipating, hopefully we're wrong, but we're anticipating other fires happening concurrently. And that's exactly the previous experience we've had with these kinds of wind events.
So this is an entire entirely. This whole street gone. 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 There's nothing left. Nothing left.
Did you all make a decision?
Thank you very much. We had a great meeting. I guess it looks like we're going to be the one having to rebuild it. But what happened there, I don't think there's anything that I've ever seen quite like it. And the insurance companies are going to have a big problem because you're talking about big, big dollars.
Stop the fire this way in the morning, you're also fighting to stop the fire from coming back.
The devastation out there is catastrophic in California. Thousands of houses, schools, businesses burned to the ground. Communities wiped out, lives lost, families forever changed. They're the worst fires that ever hit Los Angeles, ever.
Okay. Is,
Yeah, this is my house. This is my block right here. So, this is where I live, or where I lived. No. This is my home.
Get you a safe exit out of here so you don't get a nail in your foot. Pay close attention, will you please?
I will. But nothing prepares you for this amount of destruction. I mean, there's no manual, there's no book. That night when we left, it was so frightening. You could barely see I could barely see my hand in front of me because the visibility was so bad and the winds were whipping just ferociously.
That the LAPD will be enforcing a curfew in Los Angeles City areas where mandatory evacuations are still in place. The curfew will run from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Unless you are public safety personnel or other disaster workers, you have no reason to be at these locations. And if we see you in these areas, you will be subject to arrest.
I've got everything labeled out as far as what we'll need. A couple water tenders, if we're able to get.
To my head, I don't care, I pick the tongue red.
I just needed to come out and do something to help people. Sorry, I feel so bad for the people. So just wanted to come help somebody. That's all I can do. I can't give a bunch of money, but I can come give my time.
You might want some.
There you go. That's all you, man.
There you go. The communal.
Kids cannot go to school. Kids and grown-ups are homeless. They don't have anywhere to live.